Welcome, focused learners, to another explainer. Look, if you're an absolute beginner stepping into the wild world of JavaScript, take a deep breath. Seriously, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to demystify the absolute foundation of writing code, which is math. But hey, don't worry, you absolutely do not need a degree in calculus to follow along here. So let's dive right in and look at the 5 core mathematical operators that are quickly going to become your best friends.
Here is our roadmap for today.
We've got 1, the assignment operator, 2, basic arithmetic, 3, reassigning values, 4, mixing numbers and strings, and finally, number 5, not a number. Let's get into it.
Section 3, reassigning variable values, updating variables.
All right, now we need to pivot to a very specific programming quirk. What we just did, adding 10 to our variable, didn't actually permanently change its original value in the computer's memory. Let me break down exactly how state is updated step by step. If you just run myvar plus 10, step 1 happens. JavaScript calculates the math, giving you a result of 15. But myvar itself, it's actually still holding the number 5. To actually change the box's contents permanently, we need step 2. We must use our assignment operator, the equal sign, to take that new value of 15 and explicitly assign it back into myvar.
So here is the absolutely crucial syntax for updating our variable. myvar equals myvar plus 10. This is the final correct syntax. The right side calculates 5 plus 10. Then the equal sign takes that 15 and assigns it to the left side, officially updating myvar from 5 to 15. We've successfully combined both our arithmetic and our assignment operator into one really powerful line of code.
Section 4, mixing numbers and strings, mixing data types.
Up until now, we've really only been doing math with numbers. But wait, what happens when we introduce words, which, by the way, programmers call strings, into our equations? Notice the visual contrast here. Your beginner's intuition is probably screaming that adding a number to a word doesn't make any logical sense. And you are exactly right. On the left side, 5 plus 5 gives us perfect math, 10. But on the right side, look at how JavaScript handles 5 plus the word hello in quotation marks anyway. It literally gives us 5 hello.
We defined this specific quirk as concatenation. When you pass JavaScript a formula where standard math completely fails, like, adding a number to a word, the computer just gives up on the math. Instead, it converts the number to a string, and this is genuinely kind of funny, it just smashes the two values together into one long sequence. It literally concatenates them.
And concatenation perfectly joins two strings together too. But look closely here. On the left side, hello plus David results in hello David as one single mashed up word with absolutely no spaces. The computer is incredibly literal. If you want a space, you actually have to manually add it yourself. If we explicitly add a space inside the quotes, like the example on the right, hello plus David correctly results in hello David, with the space beautifully included.